friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a montage of things, a get it all done, if you will. We went to Hobby Lobby. I showed you a fall decor sneak peek, and you know I was way too excited for that. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul, meal plan, and then we're gonna be doing some cleaning of this kitchen because it's a mess. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you on my channel. Let's get into it. When it goes on sale, I will be buying it. Okay, so this is what we're having. This is like the work week, basically. So weekly dinner is Monday, crock pot lasagna soup and breadsticks. Tuesdays, I'll make enough on Monday so we have leftover. And then Wednesday, pizza, grilled cheese, and salad. Thursdays, burgers and onion rings. And then Friday is just breakfast for dinner. Have not figured out exactly what breakfast, but whether that be muffins, pancakes, and eggs, waffles, who knows? We'll see. But, all right, let me show you what we got this week. So I've got 2 packages of these buttermilk pancakes. These I really like, these crisp and thins, Ritz. And they are 130 calories for like 21 of them, so I think that's pretty good. Okay, tomato paste, Italian seasoning, just some unsalted cashews, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, that's for the soup. These are mine. I think I'm the only one that really loves these, but I love them. They're like the little mango natas you get from like a Mexican restaurant. And then these protein shakes, these are really good. 30 grams of protein, and it's 160 calories. I actually like to use these inside of a blender with frozen blueberries and make it like a smoothie. So these are my second favorite protein bars. And then just a box of macaroni, some hamburger buns for the cheeseburgers, bread, strawberry cheesecake, muffin mix that I make for in the morning, just some apple juice. I got these little Jolly Ranchers, popsicles for the kids. Just some like whipped topping, onion rings, mini cucumbers. These are really good. I'm making barbecue chicken wraps one day this week, so it's with this inside of a tortilla. And then what I like to do is drizzle this Kinder's, I think it's buttery buffalo. I like to put that on there. Fantastic. And then frozen blueberries, this white cheddar rice cakes, almond milk, butter popcorn, Skinny Girl popcorn, that one is mine. And chicken stock, this is for the lasagna soup. And then we need some more grape jelly, some burger patties, ground turkey for the soup. The ricotta cheese goes in the soup. Just some canned biscuits for breakfast. And then some cinnamon rolls for breakfast. This, I've never tried it before, but I'm gonna try it. I actually ordered a cookies and cream. They didn't have it, so they substituted with this one. And then these white cheddar rice cakes, just some shredded cheese, provolone, and then cinnamon roll toaster strudels. These are hard to find, super hard to find, but I finally was able to get my hands on some, which my kids really love. Just these little things for lunch at school, mini cucumbers. It's quite a while later, but we just got back from Costco, so I'll give you a little haul. So, I got these Alani's. They honestly don't taste the best compared to like a Red Bull, but they have more caffeine in it, which is a plus, and the calories are minute, so that's why we get them. And then Goldfish. These caramel s'more clusters are actually pretty good. These Dots Homestyle pretzels, they are good. Baby Bell. And then this variety pack of cheese. This one has aged cheddar, Jarlsberg. It looks kind of like Swiss. I don't think I've had it before, so hopefully it's good. Creamy Havarti and Dutch Gouda. And then these, I've never seen these before at the store. Love these cookies, but I've never seen where they've had them in like a multi-pack, so that is awesome. This, I figured we'd have for breakfast, and I will probably scramble some eggs up, maybe make some turkey sausage with some fruit on the side. This is a like blueberry lemon streusel. I got me some socks because I desperately needed them. And then this is, here we go, wild Pacific cod fillet. And then tilapia. And then got some more cheese. I've never had this one either, but it says naturally aged over 12 months, extra sharp. I'm excited to try that because I love cheese. Butter lettuce. Fuji apples, black seedless grapes, green grapes, my favorite, cotton candy grapes, some blackberries. The blackberries were actually really good sale today, $3.49. And then some Z-bars for the kids. These little chocolate chip cookies. If you guys are familiar with like Famous Amos, that's what those remind me of. Baked chips, 30 pack. And then another 30 pack of chips. These were on sale, $5 off, so it's only $12.99. Amazing deal. And then some croissant. And then these Bobo's Oat Bites. They are really delicious. Oh, sorry, kid in the background. And then these variety packs. Yes, 40 pack. Okay, so that was it for Costco. How much do you think I spent? $303. And then Walmart, I think the order was $250, which I got a few things that are coming in the mail, like for shipping. Some like protein cookies and some other kind of thing. But yeah, so pretty expensive week for groceries. I'll be happy if ever these grocery prices go down. Let's get started on this kitchen real quick.
I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? I know.
Let me go on, right?
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know.
That's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye.